This is the video system that Coach Julie Goodenough is going to have fired up watching some movies on the way down to Corpus. It's a long trip. Coach Goodenough, you're going to take on the Corpus Christi Islanders on Wednesday night. They got you good down there. Your team is a different team this year. It is a team that's on a roll. After a week off, how fired up are you to get back on the basketball court?
Well, we really enjoyed having a bye on Saturday. Our players were able to go home and see their friends and family for a little bit. It gave us a couple of days just to focus on ourselves, and we did a lot of skill development on those couple of days, getting ready for our prep for this game. So it came at a good time. Sunday night we had a great workout. Our players came back really fired up, ready to practice and ready to learn about our next opponent.
Well, Corpus is a team that loves to play fast, and they love to shoot from long range. They're one of the best in the nation at three-point shooting. Specifically, what's the challenge with the Islanders?
I think just playing at their place, playing in their gym where they work out every day. They do have very good scorers from the perimeter, so our defense has got to be very alert. I think we've got to be more aggressive on defense and try to dictate more than we have in some of our other games on the road. I think we've got to have a great team effort on the defensive end.
You're number one in the Southland Conference. You've lost one conference game all year. This team has, I think, done a remarkable job at handling each step along the way. I know you've really emphasized that. 6 games to go. What's the mindset?
Well, we do talk about one day at a time a lot, and my biggest motivation for that is I want them to enjoy every day, enjoy an opportunity to practice, enjoy an opportunity to get ready for their next opponent, enjoy every game. And to me, game day is really fun. There's a lot of different components, a lot of different things that go into game day, and I just want them to enjoy every opportunity that they have. And so we've got 6 games left. Let's enjoy all the practices. We're down to about 10 practices and 6 games, and so I just want them to just really enjoy the process. I mean, the season is going to go by in a puff of smoke. It's going to be over really quickly, and so we just want to continue doing what we do well, and hopefully dictating how successful our opponents can be.
There certainly is the possibility of postseason play, but as we all know, there's nothing that's really ever guaranteed, is there, after the regular season? Which means for your 2 seniors, that puff of smoke must seem even more evident. Whitney Swinford gets a chance to play back very close to where she played high school ball. This is going to be a special night for her, isn't it?
Yeah, Whitney's really excited about playing at Corpus. The last time she can play in front of hometown family and friends, and she's excited about going back there. But yeah, for Paris and Whitney, they have 3 weeks left in their career, 2.5 weeks, and so we want to make the very best of it for them. And I got to visit with them a little bit during our bye weekend, just about, hey, how do you want to leave our program? What kind of a legacy do you want to leave, and how long do y'all want to play? How long do you want to extend your career? And the better we play in these next 6 games, the better our opportunity is to have a postseason opportunity.